Someone gave me this vintage Gucci 80s outfit, and I was thinking about what to do with it. I had this bucket hat pattern that I've had for a while, and I wanted to do that. Pinned everything down, and I cut out all the pattern pieces. I took it to the sewing machine next to sew down the top of the hat. Also come back and take it to the ironing board and press out all the seams, which is important. Next, we're going to take the brim part of the hat and put right sides together and sew that. Then you're going to flip it over and do a top stitch over this as well. This part of it was a fit test. It kind of looked like a Kofi Happy Black History Month. And then we're going to take it back and add the brim to the top of the hat together. Next, we're going to go ahead and do a top stitch over that brim and top of the hat. And we are done. I think it turned out really well. It looks good. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Like and subscribe.